Hey everyone, I'm Anna Berry in the Shape Your Future Healthy Kitchen with Chef Val from OUTU School of Community Medicine and Julie, Executive Director of TSET. All right, ladies, I know we are making a delicious and easy and healthy soup today. What are we making, Chef?
So we're making a ginger carrot soup, and carrot and gingers are a classic combination. They just taste really good together, really play off the flavors well together. And I'm gonna get started. So this is onion, garlic, ground ginger, and chopped carrots. I'm gonna start sauteing these all together in the olive oil that we already have heating.
And Chef, talk a little bit about why it's so important and nutritious instead of store-bought soup, and it's easy to make your own. What, 4 or 5 ingredients, that's it?
So we are just looking to eat that rainbow every chance that we get, and if you can make your own food at home, you're saving money and you're not getting any of those preservatives. You're getting the freshest food available if you can do that. Now I'm using fresh carrots, but I will say that in this instance that frozen carrots would actually work great too.
Okay. Well, are you a fan, Julie, of carrots and ginger? Do you like those?
Absolutely. I love the ginger and I love the carrots. Yes, so I'm here today. I'm with the Tobacco Settlement Endowment Trust, and we're a state agency that makes grants to improve health. And so one of our programs is Shape Your Future, and it provides resources to families, to workplaces, about how to be healthy. We're looking to help Oklahomans eat better, move more, and be tobacco-free. And cooking at home, having these nutrient and vegetable-dense recipes are all part of that.
That is important work here in Oklahoma. Thank you for all of that. Now, when it comes to carrots, what are some alternatives? Maybe some people don't like carrots.
So this would be just a basic pureed vegetable soup. So you wouldn't have to use the ginger, but definitely this works great with butternut squash or turnips. Even potato would be something that you could put in here and just sub it out, because you have your basics of the onion and the garlic, and we're going to add some water or stock in a minute. So anyway, use that just as a basic method, try not to get too tethered to a recipe.
Right.
Yes.
So right now, tell us what you're doing, and you're going to add the stock you said?
Yeah, we're going to add water in this instance, but if you were using a different vegetable and you wanted that extra layer of flavor, we actually think that we like it better with just the water, so that ginger really shines. And you might have seen that I added some dry ginger. So we have the fresh ginger that we've grated, and then a little dry ginger to kind of give it a little extra oomph. And so once these carrots and onion and all the vegetables get really soft, so you can actually, if we had more time, we let these really steam to get very, very soft. And then we're going to go ahead and add the water. And then the whole thing is going to get pureed after the carrots are extremely, extremely soft. And then just to finish it off, we're going to add a little bit of vinegar. So yesterday we used apple cider vinegar. Today we're going to use red wine vinegar, but both of those really just amp up the flavor and give it a little acidity to kind of balance out the flavors.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
So if you want to give it a
Tasting
try.
time. All right. I'm
Yes.
excited to try this. I love carrot. I love ginger. And I feel like this would be a perfect lunch or dinner. Let's see.
Sure.
Let's see.
And you know, again, it's pretty thick, and so you could actually use this as a basis for
Oh my gosh.
chicken or fish. And I think like grilled shrimp or
Oh, I would
sauteed shrimp would
love
be
this.
delicious on here.
Little grilled shrimp.
Yes.
Absolutely. That is delicious. We got to get you a spoon, Julie. You got to try
And
it.
now I'll try it later.
All right, well, thank you for the important work you're doing, keeping us healthy. This is delicious recipe, Chef Val. If you want to make this at home, come on, get on the website, kjrh.com. Make this for yourself and your family. You'll love it. Thanks for watching.